Hello everybody, welcome to Extended Suites El Paso. All right, so we are here. We've taken over. We've been here now for about 30 days and we've got a lot of stuff going on. And let me kind of take you through it real quickly because we have been rocking and rolling at this place. I mean, it was a management, well, I wouldn't say management nightmare. I'm just saying it just wasn't, they didn't have our model. So we're just gonna put it like that. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna walk through. We've already got the open sign, of course, signature open sign. Hello there. So now, what we've also done, let me check out, here's the lobby. And we've also created Extend a Market. So we actually have our own little tiny market here at the hotel. And which we are offering all kinds of goodies, as you can see. And I think it's actually taken off pretty well. I'm gonna go over here. And this room right here, we actually had restaurant space. Now, I didn't want to say it too loudly, but as you can tell, when I was here about a week or two ago, we've got several of these things. I hate these things. You get a commission off of these things. So we unplugged them. Now we're saving electricity and we moved to the market scenario, Extend a Market that is, and we're already making on average, I think about $500 per week just in vending alone. So here's the restaurant. And I think we have a meeting space over here. Hopefully I didn't make you guys sick, but I forgot to unlock this, but we have a really good size, oh, it's locked. All right, there's bathrooms over there. Huge meeting space in here, which we're gonna start marketing. And you gotta love the green colors, right? Some people in their color selections, it's like, oh my gosh. I always get a chance to really admire the paint selections that some people choose. And I'm putting that very, very nicely. Now, we go outside, we have already begun some things. We've already ordered the signage, we've changed and we've added vending. We've gotten rid of the horrible commission structure of the vending that was there before, but we've already started painting. Now we wanted to start, when you start a painting project for a project like this, you want to start either on the inside or, excuse me, which we've done here, or the back side. We didn't want to hit the front of the hotel quite yet because you want to make sure that the scheme that you have with your paint selection looks good and you want to test it in certain areas. So we went ahead and we started painting in the courtyard area here with the pool, and we're going to sandblast the ground because the turquoise doesn't go very good with the gray, right? So we're gonna resurface, we're gonna sandblast, we're gonna repaint, and so this entire courtyard area with the pool is going to look completely different. Half of it is already almost done. So it's starting, we've just got trim work to do and a little bit more painting, but it's going to look gorgeous when it's done. All right. So we've already started so many things. We've got the signage. I was at, we ordered some, we're going to order refrigerators and microwaves today. We've got new TVs with new channel selections and including NFL ticket, which will be the first hotel in El Paso to have NFL ticket for all of our contractor buddies that are going to be staying here at this place. So we're super excited about this property. We've already done our homework. We checked out the competition and nobody has a hotel like this in El Paso. We're interior corridor, the larger rooms that we have, and you look at the people who are going up against it, so I feel sorry for them because we are absolutely going to annihilate them when it comes to how well we do here. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about this model. I'm excited about what we're doing to this property because I think it has so much potential. It has all the streams of income that you look for at a hotel. You mean restaurant space, meeting space, laundry, vending. We're even I just got done talking with the staff. We've got multiple pools. We actually have an indoor pool at this hotel too, which is kind of cool. But we're going to be upselling cooktops. I mean, we've got so many different things that we can upsell, and there's so many additional streams of income that we can have at this property. It's just a matter of implementing all these things. It doesn't happen overnight, so don't think that it will. It doesn't. It's a process, but everything that you do, look at what we just did. We implemented vending, and it's already turning out to be an additional probably $1,500 a month in pure cash flow for this hotel. All right, I'll be back probably here in the next couple of weeks, especially after the signage is installed and all this painting will be done, and I can't wait to show you guys what we do here in El Paso. So, welcome, Extended Suites El Paso. We'll see you on the next one.